What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to update your AirPods version in here so you can actually make sure that you're running the latest version in order to ensure that everything here is working perfectly fine and that you are far away from all bugs and glitches which commonly appear from time to time in here with your AirPods. Now, the bugs in here can be related, for example, with your earphones, one side not working or anything like that. Sudden stop, for example, during a call, it simply stops playing or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to update your AirPods in today's video, and the most interesting part is that this works with any iPhone model and any AirPod model, okay? But it's important for you to follow the steps in the specific order that I'm going to show them to you so you can actually achieve the result without missing any step throughout the process. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool Apple tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, first things first, I would like to let you guys know that this is a tricky way of updating your AirPods. Unfortunately, up to date, we do not have an official way of how you can actually tap on a button or tap on a feature in order to update your AirPods. I wish we had this up to date, and I hope Apple thinks about this in order to let us easily update without a lot of workarounds in here. But do not worry, I'm going to show you how to do it in this video because we're here talking about hacks, right? So first things first in here, you need to double check if you're running the latest version of your AirPod already or not. So all you want to do in here is, of course, first things first, pair it with your device, right? In my case, for example, it's already paired in here with my iPhone device. Every time I open it up, it's going to show it up in here, okay? As you can see in here, the name of my AirPods is Fixed by Shaq. Subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe if you find my content useful. Now, next up, we'll hop into settings real quick, and then down here, we're going to tap on Fixed by Shaq Subscribe, which is the AirPod firmware we wish to connect. I'm going to keep the AirPods here aside. As you can see here, let's quickly tap here on Fixed by Shaq, and then we're going to scroll down here all the way down to the bottom. Right now, in here we do have the about section where we do have the model name, the model number, the serial number, as well as the version. So we do have AirPods Pro. This is the model of my AirPods. You might be having normal AirPods or anything like that, so double check first which model name you have. Next up, you want to hop into version tab real quick. Now, once you're here, you want to double check the version and the case version. We do have the version of the AirPods, the software version, and then we do have the other version here, which is within the case itself. So it's AA28 and AA28 in here for both of the components, the earphones as well as the case. Now, once we memorize this, we're going to tap on this link here real quick, and then we're going to compare the numbers. Here we do have about firmware updates for AirPods, all the information regarding the existing firmwares in here compatible with your AirPods. So we're going to scroll down, and we can see in here latest AirPods firmware versions. We do have AirPods Pro 3 running 8B30, and then we do have in here, for example, AirPods Max, AirPods 1, 2, okay? We do have a lot of devices in here. So we do have this one with MagSafe charging case Lightning 8B28 as well. So you want to double check in here if you're running the latest model or not. So in my case in here, I'm actually running the latest version. As you can see in here, 8B28. It's the same that we're able to see in here, 8B28. I thought it was AA8, it's 8B. That's what was confusing, so simply double check it correctly. So you want to compare in here if the firmware version is the same or not. Now, if it's not the same, all you want to do is simply go back, okay, into your settings in here, and then you want to go back once again, and then go back once again, close your phone, okay, keep it locked, and then connect your AirPods to the charge. You want to keep it charging, of course, while it's paired to your iPhone device. All you want to do is simply keep it charging side to side to your iPhone device. You want to keep it this way for exactly 30 minutes. Now, ensure that in order for this to work, you need to be connected to the Wi-Fi here within your iPhone device. Simply connect to a Wi-Fi network in here and then keep it side to side for 30 minutes, and this will definitely update your AirPods version or firmware automatically to the latest one. Now, one of the disadvantages of this method is that you cannot choose which update you're going to update to. It's just a strict way of updating it to the latest version. So I hope Apple real soon releases a feature that allows us to manually update, so we can select which update we wish to update to, because sometimes the latest versions, when they're recently released, they do have a lot of bugs. So we need to be having that ability or free will to choose which software firmware we wish to run. Now, if after 30 minutes the update didn't take place, simply double check the settings, okay, of your AirPods. If the update wasn't done, simply hop into settings real quick and go all the way to google.com. So once you're here on Google, you simply want to search here for speed test. Tap on speed test and then simply tap on here to run the speed test and check how fast is your internet connection. My internet is quite fast, but you want to double check if you do have a really stable Wi-Fi network. Anything above 10 Mbps is just fine for the download and upload speed. So you want to double check this just to ensure that your network is working fine, because if your network is pretty slow, chances are that the update won't take place because it requires a much faster internet connection in here. Now, once the update is done, just to close everything, I would recommend you guys to perform a forced restart here within your iPhone, just to quickly restart your iPhone from scratch and reboot it from a deep sleep. This will actually help you calibrating all the settings, especially when we change new settings within our iPhone device. A forced restart is very important. If you do have an iPhone 8 or later model, simply rapidly tap on volume up and then down and then press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Now, please note that this needs to be done quickly, just the way I've done it in today's video. Wait for a couple of seconds, and once you see the Apple logo here on your screen, you're gonna release the power button and let your iPhone turn on normally. No data will be lost. If you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, all you wanna do is simply press and hold the volume down along with the power button. Press and hold both of the buttons combination until you see the Apple logo. Now, if you have, for example, an iPhone 6 or an iPhone with the physical home button in here, please note that all you wanna do is simply press and hold the physical home button along with the power button until you see the Apple logo to release the keys combination. Now, please note that in much older iPhones, such as an iPhone 4 or 5, the physical home button is usually located here at the top. So you're gonna press and hold the button at the top along with the physical home button until you see the Apple logo and then release both of the keys combination. Thank you so much for watching it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any questions or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well, by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.